here we are. We can test out face paint. Used I've done one full face paint look before. This is with an actually decent brand, so we're gonna try this. Gonna do a test on my skin, make sure I don't have an allergic reaction to it, because if I did, that'd be awkward. So we're gonna test it out and we're gonna see how it goes. Get this paintbrush wet. Just like put water on there. Ooh, I think I have no idea if I'm doing this right. It seems nice. It seems a lot nicer than what I had before. So we're just gonna let this dry. Let this dry. We're gonna leave this here for like a bit and work on other stuff, and then we're gonna do it on the rest of my face. Okay, good news. Swatch test was a success. Left it on for like 10-15 minutes. Didn't have a severe allergic reaction, so I think I'm gonna just say that we're good. We're gonna go ahead and do the face paint. This will be fun. I'm doing Prince Lotor and Voltron because I have a wig for it. I keep losing my train of thought, what I'm gonna say. I don't have a ton of experience vlogging, which is why I'm doing this. Gonna get better at it. We have a paintbrush. We dip the paintbrush into some water and like tap it on there. So it's like wet. I'm just kind of, oh, look, oh, it's turning purple. Oh. Please don't get this on your eyes or your lips. I have to do both. Oh, this is bizarre. It looks way more purple in real life than it does on camera, which means we'll have to probably do 2 layers. But the good thing, this stuff is way more flexible than the cheapy Halloween stuff I used. See? Purple. This is so bizarre. Whatever brand I was using before, like Spirit Halloween, I probably got it like unopened at a thrift store actually. Whatever brand I was using before was not a good brand. This stuff is really nice. Oh my gosh. And I don't need to get all of my ears because I have elf ears that I tried to paint black, didn't work. Didn't end up using them. But it's okay because I can just paint those purple, I think, and use those and it'll be great. It's a little weird to think this is probably not the weirdest thing I've done for cosplay. I don't know what would be the weirdest thing I've done for cosplay, but using garbage I found on the side of the road to make props. I cleaned it first, just like PVC pipe, but like why would I go buy a PVC pipe when there's a perfectly good piece of PVC pipe on the side of the road? I'll admit, this is a little weird. This is slightly peculiar. Okay, here we are. Kind of finished the base for it. It's not obviously as perfect as you'd get if you're doing it with an airbrush or something, but we're gonna call it good enough and we're gonna move on to contouring and things. We have a palette. It has some purples on it. Brush. We have contour brush. So we're just gonna use like dark purple, dark blue eyeshadow as if it were contour. And we're gonna see how it goes. We're getting somewhere. I did look at a picture of Lotor. Finally, like halfway through the process. Good news, I am liking it. Okay. Well, here we are. Wearing jeans because I don't feel like wearing anything else, but dang, I feel like lovely. Like, it's not obviously the best ever, but like, considering it's my second time doing it, first time doing it with any, like a competent one, halfway decent one, this is pretty good. I'm gonna like film TikToks and take pictures of it, but overall, I'd say that this first makeup test for Prince Lotor using Snazaroo body paint, Snazaroo face paint, I feel like pretty good. I feel like I did okay. Yeah, I'm happy with the result. I was doing purple face paint earlier, so there might be a little pink, but there's not much I can do about that. I have a box. It's very big. Big box, boy. This is my button press because I got very obsessed watching vlogs of people making buttons, and I like to collect pins. Buttons, when I say buttons, I'm talking about like round little button pin badges. And now, with the contents of this box, I can make my own. Let me take this closer so you can see the glory of what's in this box. Ooh. Ooh. These are the little circles of plastic. And then the one that I ordered came with a lot of button pieces. 1,000. It comes with 1,000 button pieces, which is a lot. User manual. It will provide you with the service to the best of my ability. Ah, yes, this doesn't look like it was made by somebody who speaks English fluently. A blank piece of paper. A list of the things it has in here. Instruction manual. Mysterious little box. Very heavy, mysterious little box. Very well wrapped in tape. I'm gonna pause this until I can get this box open. Okay, after some trial and error, got the box open. We have some metal components wrapped in bubble wrap. Okay. We have metal piece number 1 and metal piece number 2. This is so sturdy and heavy. Oh. It's on this thick plasticky thing. I don't know what this is. I assume that's how you make the buttons, but oh, there's another box. It's taking like the bottom half of this is just one other big box. Oh, there we go. A handle. Oh. Oh. This is so heavy. Oh goodness. Then there's a little bag of things, screws and things. Okay, here we are. We're gonna follow the instructions to try and put this together. All pieces, K. With a hexagonal wrench, fix the machine to the base. Some screws. Interesting, okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now let's see. Now it can't slide out. Okay, that's what we want. Prevent the side rail from falling off. We put little screws in the side. Put it in there. And the left one. Okay, so we put this down, drawing in transparent film. Put that there. And then we push them all to the right and align. And then we push it to the right, push it all the way to the left. Oh! 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 My gosh, this is amazing! I can do anything! But look at this! Look, I made a crappy little smiley face! I can make anything now, I can make anything. I can make anything. Look, look! This is so exciting! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna make more buttons. I'm gonna do so many great things with it. I'm gonna do so many great things with this machine. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be awesome. Yeah? Thank you for watching my first official vlog that I have here on my YouTube channel. Hope you'll stick around for more. Thanks for watching. Guess I'll see you later.